Hi everyone, this is Larry Glista from NorthStar Cooperative. Today I want to cover how to set up and use Timed AI in PCDart. PCDart's Timed AI program is designed with a focus on keeping cows enrolled and always on a to-do list unless cows are bred, diagnosed pregnant, or are coded as a cull cow. Just follow standard reports 134 through 139. Timed AI setup is found under File, Management Options, and as you'll see, the default tab takes you right to Timed AI. Setting up a protocol, it is much easier to choose a model pre-built protocol, name it, and modify it from there. Starting at the breed event and working your way backwards is the best way to modify a Timed AI protocol. So we're going to choose a preset protocol. We're going to use Presync. Make sure you click on the tab, and then we got to name it. And then you got to determine how many days of milk to breed the cows. In this case, we're going to choose 80. Talking to the veterinarian, he says he likes this Presync protocol, but he wants to put in another PGH shot. We're going to modify it. We're going to say this is PGH-4. We'll modify this one to make it -3 and so forth. And we're going to say that there's a day between PGH 3 and 4. Also, he wants another GnRH shot on day 79. So we're going to say this is 1 day back from the breed event. And we're going to put in a GnRH PM shot. And then the breed event will happen on day 80. The very last thing you need to do is to select the day of the week to start the program, but I prefer you just determine what day of the week you want to breed your cows. And in this case, the producer wants to breed on a Friday, so we're going to increment this one, double check your work. The first 4 shots are on a Tuesday, then it goes Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. If everybody's happy with what you got here, you click on Apply Changes. And as you can see, you now have a Presync protocol created. You're ready to enroll cows. So let's close this. Let's go to standard reports 134 through 139. Cows must be manually enrolled in the Timed AI. We recommend you do this on the day they freshen using the Chain Events tab on the input desk. In this case, cows have never been enrolled in Timed AI, so we can look at what cows are eligible for enrollment by clicking on Report 134, hitting the preview screen. 10 cows are eligible for enrollment. If we put these 10 cows into a temporary group, review the report a second time, notice temporary group 33 stuck. Now we could enroll all these animals by going to the input desk. So you go to the input desk, select animals before showing input form, click on Timed AI, select by group or temporary group. The one we chose was 33. There they are. We say apply to all, start them on Timed AI. Choose the reference day to start them. We're just going to use today, and then you choose the protocol to put them into. Well, there's only one listed, so we can only choose the one. Once you click on done, it's going to enroll all 10 of those animals. So in the cow page, if we look at one of the animals that was just enrolled, you'll notice the default on the cow page is it shows you the sire and dam information, but once they're on Timed AI, this tab is enabled and it shows you the shot selection. Also under the F12 tab, under chores, you'll see the Timed AI selection. In Standard Reports 135, you'll see an all dates format. So if you click on the Presync protocol and hit preview, for example, 583 is in the Presync protocol, and here's the shot selection, and the breed event is on 118 and so forth. If you want to look at reports 136, it's just going to show you what to do per week. If we preview that report, you'll see Tuesday on 12/11, all 10 of these animals need a PGH1 shot. If you look at report 137, This one just tells you what you need to do for today only. Once again, it's going to show you all these animals need the PGH1 shot. Now, if we looked at this same report tomorrow, which will be Wednesday, 12/12, no animals will show up because there's nothing on this list for anything to do on Wednesday, 12/12, and so forth. 138 is a unique feature in PCDart. Any animals that are put on timed AI and never get bred will show up on the 138 report. 139 is something I want to cover in my next session, and that's for resync protocols, cows that are eligible to be resynced. In closing, reproductive performance is one of the key components of a dairy herd that directly impacts profitability. With the proper use of PCDart's timed AI, your dairy will ensure all cows are bred, pregnant, or on a list to be bred, thus eliminating cows that might slip through the system you are currently using. Please don't hesitate to call our support staff or myself to assist you in using this application. Thanks for your time.